The next product I would love to tell you about, and it is indeed one of my favorites, is the cell activator. The very term cell activator speaks to its functions. An activator activates cells. How does it work? This device operates through the action of terahertz radiation. This is an incredibly important device that helps restore the function of every cell in our body. When we consider that our entire body, indeed every organ, is made up of cells, there are billions of cells in our body, and our health also depends on the condition of our cells. If a cell is healthy, it gives birth to healthy cells. You know that cells renew themselves. A new cell is born, and the old one is eliminated from the body. But if a cell is sick, how can it give birth to a healthy cell? Thus, by using an activator, we perform a restart. We renew our cells, we set the cell into action. The cell begins to work actively, performing all its functions. How is this achieved? Due to the effect of terahertz radiation. Our device's activator has 3 modes of terahertz radiation exposure. First mode, second mode, and third mode. Each mode differs in radiation power. What does terahertz radiation do? First of all, terahertz radiation is a very powerful therapeutic and health-improving frequency. Once it enters the body, it initiates the movement of lymph. And as we all know, the lymphatic system is one of the main systems in our body responsible for removing all accumulated toxins. If the lymphatic system works well, if toxins are removed efficiently, our body feels great, there is energy, there is health. If the lymphatic system works poorly, what happens? There is a buildup of toxins in the body. One of the main functions of terahertz radiation is to accelerate the movement of lymph in the body. When lymph flows well and quickly, toxins are eliminated and we feel great. What does the terahertz wave do next? Well, since we are talking about traditional Chinese medicine, here we have a symbiosis of traditional Chinese knowledge and new technologies. The terahertz wave helps to restore the movement of energy in the body. According to Chinese medicine, illnesses occur when there is a stagnation of energy in the body. And by using this cell activator along the Chinese meridians, along the meridians of our body, of which there are 12 in the body, we restore the flow of this energy. Thus, we indeed restore the energy potential of a person's health. The terahertz wave also works excellently for restoring circulation and blood flow in our body. If there is any blockage somewhere, if there is any blood stagnation somewhere, we also start to get sick because the blood does not reach the cells. The cells do not receive nutrition and oxygen, and the beginning of health problems starts. Using the activator, just like along the meridians, working with the body, how to properly work with the activator, we have special videos from our specialists. You can watch them and see the entire methodology. But by using the activator, first we restore the movement of energy in the body. Second, we restore the movement of the lymphatic system. Third, we stimulate blood circulation, relieve spasms, and reduce tension in all vessels and capillaries. Fourth, we restore our nerve endings, we relax these nerve endings, and miracles happen. A person starts to sleep well after using the activator if they had insomnia. It works very well, as I mentioned, with the circulatory system, addressing issues like varicose veins. These are issues related to the vascular network. By working with the activator, you can see how varicose nodes on the legs dissolve and how the capillary network, which also causes aesthetic discomfort for many women, disappears. When there is a lot of this network, women are often embarrassed to wear skirts or dresses so that it is not visible. Next point, by using the activator, due to the activation of terahertz waves, as I mentioned, and the active functioning of the lymphatic system, many skin problems are resolved. Conditions like psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, and various allergic reactions. We have a huge amount of evidence for this, which you can check out on our Telegram channel, Results with Whieda Products. I invite you all to join this channel. Next point, its cosmetic property. Due to the fact that the activator activates the cells, making them work in their healthy mode, it can be used on the face and décolleté areas. We restore lymphatic flow, rejuvenate our skin, and achieve a noticeable lifting effect from the very first application. Understood, in order to achieve a long-lasting and stable effect, it is necessary to undergo certain courses with 10-15 facial procedures. But the fact that the skin rejuvenates, restores, becomes more hydrated, of better quality, and more toned, the stagnation and swelling that many people have on their faces disappear. This works perfectly with the activator. It is also well used in cosmetology to solve problems with papillomas and warts. Using the activator for 3 to 5 sessions, we remove skin manifestations. In general, this is a universal device. I can say that this is a device that should be in every home based on all the properties and features I have mentioned. This device helps solve many problems. It relieves pain if your knees hurt, if your joints hurt. By working locally on a specific area where there is pain, we reduce inflammation and the pain goes away. If there is a cold, if there is an illness, we work the same way if there is a cough. We work in the problem area, for example, if the cough is in the bronchi. We work on the back surface of the bronchi. We also warm up and address issues of colds and coughs. In general, it has a huge number of properties and a huge number of results. And I invite you to visit our channel so that you can see more detailed testimonials from people using this device.